To the north, we had record highs yesterday, and we'll be flirting with more warm temperatures and the possibility of records again today from the upper peninsula of Michigan down to the lower peninsula. The northern extent of the precipitation over the next 12 hours we think we'll find, maybe around Des Moines, Iowa and St. Louis with afternoon highs in the 40s.
Give me your money.
If this reminds you of the last season.
Shoney's Breakfast Bar, the best breakfast in town.
Hot breakfast idea. Mothers have learned from countless doctors and
60611.
The New England Skiers Forecast is sponsored by Sunday River, rated the #1 ski resort in the East. And as we check all the skiing conditions, we see fair skies, just a weak little upper air disturbance moving through northern New York and Vermont this morning. We can see the clouds associated with it, and we've had a little bit of light snow in the area, but nothing very heavy, certainly nothing to even call for appreciable amounts of measured snow. But the ski resorts reporting packed powder conditions for most of the area, and the base is pretty good too, 48 to 84 inches from Sunday River in Maine, and even Haystack, Vermont, as much as 60 inches. Stratton, Vermont, a base of 70 inches, and there you see in Okemo with some 90 inches at the base, and they have about 71 trails available. No new snow greater than an inch expected over the next 12 hours or so, but snow-making conditions are still looking good, so even though we don't have the natural snow, the conditions are favorable for great snow-making conditions. So looking good if you're planning on going skiing, the ski resorts in New England.
For ski conditions at over 400 other ski areas, call 1-900-WEATHER.
Business Planner here on the Weather Channel at 20 minutes after every hour. You get a comprehensive national report that covers the forecast over the next 5 days. Watch the 5-Day Business Planner coming up soon on the Weather Channel. Now your local forecast, accurate and dependable from the Weather Channel.
Search for the best of everything. Our special segment today applies to all motorists. Straining to see through a rain-soaked windshield is no fun and can be unsafe, but there is a solution. It's called Rain-X, the invisible windshield wiper. It dramatically improves wet weather visibility. After my first application, I was a true believer. With Rain-X, you'll feel safer driving in the rain. Go out and get your Rain-X today.
Look for Rain-X, the invisible windshield wiper, at all fine automotive departments near you.
And our Traveler's Update is sponsored by Rain-X, the invisible windshield wiper. National radar shows the wet weather, and the Rain-X will definitely come in handy if you have travel plans over the lower Mississippi Valley into the southeast, because we definitely have the wet weather this morning over northern Georgia into Birmingham, Alabama, most of Mississippi, and even up toward Tennessee and the central and western parts of Illinois, parts of Iowa, and then changing over to a little bit of light snow in the western parts of Kansas. So this is our rainy travel area. As a matter of fact, the National Weather Service has issued a flood watch for the parishes in Louisiana, the western parishes anyway, and the southwestern parts of Mississippi and right along the coast here of Texas. Rain on the increase later this evening for the Olympic Peninsula and along the coast of Oregon. We do not anticipate any strong storms here, though. The better chance of strong storms we'll find over Louisiana and Mississippi. Watch out for the rain mixed in with a little bit of snow here.
We have a lot to tell you about this morning, and we're glad you're with us. I'm Nancy Lou.
And I'm Sandra Bookman. David Ushery has the day off. Lee Goldberg doesn't, although Bill Evans does have the day off. Lee has a first look at the morning's weather.